The other aspects I am requested to ascertain with you as to what language will you best understand for the purposes of the proceedings.
Your Worship, my home language is Ndebele, but I chose Zulu because it is close to Ndebele.
Okay. I think Ndebele interpreter will have to be arranged for purposes of the proceedings.
Manje inkantolo ithi zomela silungise umuntu ozokhuluma isiNdebele wazongizwise kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani masiphuleka yazwakala understood.
Sir, your request is hereby granted. You are afforded an opportunity to consult family members to consider issue of legal representation. The case is hereby remanded until the 20th day of June 2023. Same court number 20A, for bail information in terms of section 50 subsection 6 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977, and for your decision regarding legal representation. You will remain in custody until then.
Hello Mzansi, and welcome back to our channel. And in a surprise arrest, a Zimbabwean national is now suspect number 9 and was in court yesterday for you. And he did not have any legal representation. As well, he needs a Ndebele translator. Now, Mzansi, as you know, us, the South African taxpayers, will be footing the bill of his legal representation should he choose to go through the free South African legal aid, as well as the bill for the Ndebele translator. This is in addition to the chartered flight that the private jet that went to pick up Dr. Nandipa and Thabo Bester. Let me correct myself. That went to abduct Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipa, allegedly. And what stands out here is how a Zimbabwean national, we do not know his legal status in South Africa, for Zanda Moyo, who is age 31, who did not look at the camera at any point, looked down the entire time. Also in attendance, if you look really closely, is one of the lawyers for the other suspects in this case. Will he be offering his services to represent suspect number 9? Suspect number 9 was granted his request to speak with his family, as he was speaking in court without a lawyer, and he has chosen to speak to his family first with regard to what to do next in terms of legal aid. Will we be seeing another Dr. Nandipa situation where he will say he's been abducted and being held without his consent in a South African court? Moyo is facing the following charges: violation of a body, fraud, aiding and abetting a prisoner to escape, harboring and concealing an escaped offender. He is also alleged to be Dr. Nandipa's driver and could be the guy who went to pick up Dr. Pesci's passports. I don't know about you, but this Dr. Pesci seemed to have given her passport with great ease out. And I believe you should never be handing your passports away unless it's to an immigration official. So what say you, Mzansi? Does he deserve free legal representation for a crime allegedly that he has committed in South Africa? Now, this is the second time that Zimbabwe gets mentioned in this case. The first time was when Dr. Nandipa allegedly left her car at the border. And the second time is now Zanda Moyo entering the suspects list. And what is surprising is how the magistrate will still be holding the court on the 20th of June in the same courtroom. This courtroom is getting smaller and smaller by the day as the suspect numbers are growing. Will the courtroom be able to accommodate all 9 suspects, all their lawyers, plus the prosecutor and the prosecution team? Go ahead, Mzansi, comment down below. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this Zimbabwean national and the crimes he's alleged to have committed?
Sir, there is an application by the public prosecutor for you to be joined to the other 8 accused under case number 28/113/2023, which is you have harbored and concealed an escape of an offender. Do you understand?
Understood, Worship, I hear you.
Therefore, you are accordingly joined to this other 8 accused, and you are becoming accused number 9.
Yes, I heard that, Worship.
You've got the rights to legal representations. You may appoint an attorney at your own cost. If you can't afford to pay one, then you may approach Legal Aid South Africa for assistance free of charge, or you may elect to conduct your own defense. Sorry, sir. We are recording the proceedings, so you must speak aloud.
Can I be given time, Worship, so I can contact my family? Should I be given an opportunity to contact my family, Worship? I can do that anytime.
Okay.
And I would also want him to be certain about the language, because he's a Zimbabwean, and I can follow from his responses that he's not that good in Zulu that he claims he's speaking. So he must be certain, so that if that's the process.
Yes. And without coercing you, I just want you to be certain that there is Legal Aid South Africa that you may make use of. They will assist you free of charge. In other words, they will represent you free of charge. But if you so wish.
And there you have it, Mzansi. The judge literally said, just in case you didn't hear me the first time, you are entitled to South African legal aid and absolutely free. So he has the option to choose that, and if he so chooses. But watch how he seems to have some kind of remorse. What say you? Is he guilty? Or is he being pulled into this just for his status of being a driver? Thanks for watching. Catch you on our next upload.
Every day you will be shocked by something new. We have even forgotten what shocked us 2 weeks ago. You know, every day